Yo, what's going on, boys and girls? Today we're talking about Rubik's cubes. That's for sure. I'm just not a good cube solver. I suck at solving Rubik's cubes. Cause look, see this part? I can't break it. Cannot do it. Look, this thing is called the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and this thing is called the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I don't have a 1x1 Rubik's Cube. That's final. So, let's see. So, for you who's not watching, like and subscribe, okay? So, let's see if I can. I don't know how to solve Rubik's cubes, so that's the final. This one is called the Keychain Rubik's Cube, but this, see, there was a chain right there where you can hang stuff on to your necklace and stuff, but it's broken. I just heard someone sneeze. Let's see, because this one, I don't know what this is, because this thing is I just broke this thing again. God dang it. I got it back. Okay. I have two of these. Anyways, this thing is called the mirror cube. Yeah, you will see it. It's not that. I cannot solve this. This is really impossible to solve. Because I don't know how to solve this one. So let's see. Yeah, this is really hard to solve. Also, look, this one, I don't know what this one's called, but oh no, this one broke. Oh wait, let's see. This one broke too. God dang it, this is really breaking. But, oh, this one is called, I don't know what this one's called. Let's see. I cannot solve this one. So, no, this is annoying. So, let's see how this one works. Okay, so to this one is that, let's see, I think so. So, I think this one is, let's see. I think this one is difficult to solve because I don't know how. Okay. So this one is the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. They look just the same, but they're different. This one is solid, this one's shiny. So, I don't know if this one's solid, but I don't know. So, I'm pretty sure that this thing is Oh no. Hard to solve. Because this 4x4 Rubik's Cube is difficult to solve. Does this... How many edges does this thing have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 tiny cubes that's attached to this thing. So, let's see. We can't even solve this one, because this one is... These been mixed. These things have been scrambled for a while. It's been like 10 months since these things have been scrambled. I got these for my birthday. So I think this is hard to solve, because if you literally cheated by literally breaking these stuff apart and putting it into the next one, like, that's cheating. Let's see how this one works. Hard to solve. Okay, look what you can do. Let's see. Not cool at all. Let's see. So I'm just looking around, because these notes has been like this. You will hear that. Okay. Let's see how this thing works. Okay. Because of this one is really hard. Into this one, nah. Not cool at all. Okay, I'm gonna end I can't talk. I'm gonna end the video. Hope y'all enjoyed my video. To those who were watching, please smack that like button and comment down below if you want to see all my videos. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of the day. See you in the next video. Peace.